Hey guys, what's up? Are you frustrated that you're not able to send your data from your iPhone to your Android or your PC? I have a solution for you.
Introducing Send Anywhere. As we know, natively Apple supports transfer of data, photos, and videos between their devices using its own service called AirDrop. But there is no similar kind of service to transfer data between Apple devices and your PC or Android. But now we have Send Anywhere, which will allow you to send your data between your Apple devices like Mac, iPad, iPhone, iMac, etc. to your PC and Android seamlessly. Now, sending data between Apple devices and PC or Android is fairly simple. You have to open the Send Anywhere app. You have to go to the Send section, select the data or image, video, or data that you want to send to your PC. Select that video, click Send, and you will receive a six-digit code that you have to enter in the destination device, that is your PC. Note that we are not using any application that is installed inside our PC. We are using a very simple web app, so we are saved from the hassle of installing another application inside your PC. After entering the code, you click download, and you will receive an ad for 5 seconds that you can skip. After skipping the ad, you will see that the data that is coming from your Apple device will start downloading in your PC. You just have to save it at any destination. And voila, this is done. You can see you have started receiving the data, and it typically takes around 2 to 3 minutes to send a 1 gigabytes of file. So it's fairly fast and very easy to use.
That was it. If you found our tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and we'll be back with a similar content very soon.